Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Revel Nail and Cuccio Pro. And here are the shades. So from Revel Nail, I will be using the Victoria. And from Cuccio Pro, I will be using the shade Pearl. And here are the close-up look of the powders. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my favorite Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat. So to start off, I will be using my Model 1's Nail Primer and apply it to all of my nails. So once it's all dry, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base and apply a thin layer of this to my nails and immediately dip my nails into the powder and tap the excess. So I will be using the Cuccio Pro in the shade Pearl to my ring, pinky, and thumb. So I'm going to do 3 layers of this shade just because it's very sheer and I like my nails to be a little bit thick. So I'll let you guys watch me do a 3 coat of this powder and I'll be back with Victoria. So now that I'm finished with the 3rd coat of Pearl, then I move on to Victoria. So I'm going to use this shade on my middle and pointy fingers. And I'm also going to do 3 layers of this shade. So now that I'm done with Victoria, I will be using my Lunula acrylic powder. Although it says it's acrylic powder, it's also suitable for dipping system. So I use this to encapsulate all the colors. What it does is it will protect the colors from filing and buffing. So then I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the activator. So I'm going to use my Revel nail activator and apply a generous amount of this to all of my nails. Then after a few minutes, I buff and file off camera. So after buffing and filing, I clean my nails with alcohol. So then once my nails are clean and dry, I move on to top coat. So I use my no wipe top coat from Miss Nails and apply 2 layers of this and cure it for 30 seconds. But of course, you can always use your deep powder top coat, but I just prefer the no wipe top coat just because I think no wipe top coat will give you more shine than deep powder top coat. So then after I cured it for 30 seconds, I apply the cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.